A very good afternoon, friends. Welcome to chapter 6 part 2. In the last part I did the temple tour and took a MRT and came to the Pratunam area. In this video I'm going to do a walking tour of the Platinum Fashion Mall, which is a budget mall of Bangkok. If you're planning to visit Bangkok, you must visit Platinum Fashion Mall for shopping. So in this video I'm going to give you a good insight about what you can expect here. I'm going to cover most part of the mall. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. Well, if you like this video, don't hesitate to press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to subscribe to my channel right away, so we're going to get all the updates for the future videos. So keep watching, enjoy. Hello friends, I've started a bit early today post breakfast. I did the temple tour, then took the MRT and came to Pratunam area. I didn't have much food today. I had a few drinks. So I had my lunch out here. Basically Thai street food. My tummy is full. Now I'm ready to go for the walking tour in the Platinum Fashion Mall. Just to brief you, Platinum Fashion Mall is a budget mall. It must be in your itinerary if you love shopping when you visit Bangkok. Instead of shopping outside, I would suggest that you visit Platinum Fashion Mall. Not only is air conditioned and clean, but you get very good products at a reasonable price out here. So right now in the ground floor, talking about ground floor, basically you get ladies wear mainly out here, which is basically tops, trousers, night dresses and so on. You also get some of the shops selling men's t-shirt, and there are luggage stores and your stores selling accessories. So I'll give you a tour of the ground floor, then I'll take you to basement, then the first, second, third and fourth floor. This is a shop I usually come to pick up some tops. The price is usually 200 Thai baht and it's a good one, so I usually buy it from here. So now once I'm done with the ground floor, I'll be going to the basement. So I'll request you to watch the video till the end. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this, and this will give you insight about what you can expect in the Platinum Fashion Mall. Keep watching, enjoy. Well, right now I'm in the basement floor. This floor is dedicated for denim lovers. You can always pick up your jeans shorts, trousers and jackets. If you're interested in a budget luggage, so you have shops selling budget luggage out here. You can always pick up your bag from this mall. And there are plenty of shops selling local fashion brands. So if you're interested in local fashion brands, you can explore this floor. This is my favorite tea shop out here, Mama's Tea. You get good Thai iced tea out here, and the price is also rock bottom. It's just 30 THB. Well, this first floor is for ladies who love fashion, accessories and cosmetics. This is the floor for you to explore. Well, right now I'm in the second floor of the Platinum Fashion Mall. This floor is basically for trendy fashion wear, accessories, children clothing and street fashion wear. Well, right now I'm on the third floor, and this floor is dedicated for men. You get a mix of men's clothing, sportswear, and casual wear. I need to buy a couple of t-shirts, so let me explore this floor well. Let me see if I can pick up some t-shirts. Well, I've just reached the fourth floor of the Platinum Fashion Mall. This floor is basically for affordable men's fashion, accessories, and leather goods. I'm going to do a walking tour of the entire fourth floor. End of walking tour, I'm going to end my video too. I tried to be as informative as possible and try to give you insight about what you can expect while shopping in Platinum Fashion Mall. Platinum Fashion Mall should be part of a budget shopping itinerary if you're visiting Bangkok in the near future. I will end my video here, and I'll see you soon in my next video, which will be part 3, an evening in Bangkok. To see more, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have liked my video, don't hesitate to press the like button and share my video with your friends. I'd like to thank you for joining in and watching my videos. Thank you once again. See you soon. Bye bye.
Sweet. I'm the kind of girl who can shift the vibe, turn a simple move to a hold your ride. Try to slow me down, baby, that's too late. I am moving through the universe at premium.